Now, Pashvi and Aneri are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. Underline old ratio 2:1. Balance sheet of their firm as on 31/3/16 was as under: capital Pashvi Aneri, capital reserve, टिक करो, लिखो 2:1 ब्रैकेट में. Workman saving account, distribute between partners or a liability? Liability. Workman profit sharing fund, liability. 10% loan from the bank, creditors, yes. Goodwill, टिक करो, 2:1 लिखो. All goodwill distributed between partners. Building, furniture, stock, debtor, cash. On 1/4/16, they admitted Hensi as a new partner on the following conditions. New profit and loss sharing ratio is to be kept at 3:4:2. Hensi brings 40,000 as capital. Interest on bank loan is outstanding for 1 year. Tick karo, 10% bank loan. Personal expense of Pashvi paid by the firm is debited to profit and loss account 5,600. So this we have to adjust in capital account. Okay, reconstruction expenses paid by Aneri. Again, revaluation account and capital account. Then goodwill is valued at 90,000. Important point. New value of goodwill is 90,000 and the new partner is not able to bring his share of goodwill in cash. Okay. Pashvi and Aneri will maintain their capital in new firm in their new profit and loss sharing ratio by taking Hensi's capital as base. For this purpose, necessary adjustment should be made in partners' current account. Prepare necessary accounts and balance sheet. Okay, let's start the sum by balance. Brought forward 91,000 and 84,000. By capital reserve 14,700. What's the ratio? 2:1. $9,000. 2:1. Okay. Workman saving account. $7,000. Workman profit sharing fund 8,400. 10% loan from the bank 35,000 in our account. Creditors 39,900. Goodwill distributed between two goodwill. 14,000, 7,000. 2:1. Building, no adjustment. Furniture, stock, debtors, debtors, cash. Next. On 1/4/16, they admitted Hensey as new partner on the following condition. New profit and loss sharing ratio is 3:4:2. Now we need to find the sacrifice ratio for adjustment of goodwill. We'll do that later. Hensey brings 40,000 as capital by cash. Second effect. To Hensey's capital, 40,000. Interest on bank loan is outstanding for 1 year. So plus outstanding interest 1 year. So 3,500. Second effect, revaluation account, debit side, 2. Outstanding interest on bank loan. 3,500. Personal expense of Pashvi paid by the firm is debited to profit and loss account 5,600. So now we have to credit profit and loss account and we have to debit what? We have to debit drawings, which is basically we have to debit on the capital side. Now when we credit profit and loss account, over here we don't have profit and loss account, so we'll credit revaluation account by Pashvi's capital account. $5,600 and do revaluation account. $5,600. Reconstruction expense is paid by Anil. What's the journal entry? Revaluation account will be debited and Anil's capital account will be credited. So revaluation account debit to Anil's capital account. 8,400. Why revaluation account? Reconstruction expense. $8,400. Now goodwill is valued at 90,000. So first let's find the sacrifice ratio. One partner is gaining over here. Aneri is gaining. So let's find out her share first. First let's write total goodwill. Total goodwill is equal to rupees 90,000. Share of Aneri is equal to 90,000 into 1 by 9. Rupees 10,000. Share of the new partner Hensey, 90,000 into 2 by 9, 20,000. Write the journal entry. This partner Hensey is coming new in the business, so unable to bring her share in goodwill. So Hensey's capital account debit. First we write this 20,000. At the same time, Aneri is gaining 1 by 9. So Aneri ko bhi debit. We debit Aneri. Aneri's capital account debit 10,000. Who will get the benefit of this? Pashvi. So to Pashvi's capital account 30,000. Let's do the posting. We credit Pashvi by Honoraries capital account 20,000 by Henzi, by Honoraries capital account 10,000 by Henzi's capital account 20,000 to Pashwi's capital account. Honorary is 10,000, Henzi is 20,000. Now, Pashwi and Honorary will maintain their capital in new form in the new profit and loss sharing ratio by taking Henzi's capital as the base. For this purpose, necessary adjustment is to be made through current account. Now, how do we do this? Working note. Capital by Henzi is how much? 40,000. Share of Henzi 2 by 9. 2 by 9. So for 2 by 9th share, capital is 40,000. Honoraries capital is equal to 40,000 into 4 by 9 upon 2 by 9, which is equal to 80,000. Pashwi's capital, same way, is equal to 40,000 into 3 by 9 upon 2 by 9 is equal to 60,000. Now, we already have the closing balance of capital. So first we write the closing balance, leave 2 lines and we write to balance carry forward. Pashwi is 60,000, Honorary is 80,000 and Henzi is 40,000. We balance it like a normal sum. Where will the difference go? Difference will go to current account. Understood this? Now, let's close the revaluation account. 3,500 plus 8,400, 11,900. By, we have a loss. Partners capital account. $6,300, 4,200 and 2,100 to revaluation account. 4,200 and 2,100. Now let's balance this. सबसे पहले we take Pashwi. Which side is more? Debit or credit? The difference will be to current account. Balancing figure and by current account. Balancing figure. Okay, now tell me which side is more, Pashwi? Credit. What's the total? 1,30,800. Okay, what's the difference? 47,000. Now, this difference, is it a debit balance or a credit balance? कौन सा balance है ये? It's a credit balance because credit side is more. Okay. Okay. Debit side is more of an area. How much? 99,100. What's the difference? 1,800. And over your debit side is again more, 60,000. 60,000. And the difference is 20,000. Now 1,800 and 20,000 is what balance? Debit or credit? They are debit balances. Okay. Transfer karo capital. Capital. Pashvi, Aneri, Henzi. Pashvi is 60,000, 80,000, 40,000. Current account. Only one partner having a credit balance, that is Pashvi. 47,000. And we also have cash. So current account. Aneri 1,800. Henzi 20,000. Cash balance at 96,000. Balance it.